So guys, ito naman yung Montero GLX manual transmission natin. Still naka zero down payment. With 45,000 freebies and 20,000 fuel subsidy. So pasukin na natin. So sa Montero GLX natin, ito yung controls ng windows and central door lock. And ito yung interior niya. Ayan. Naka-leather wrap na yung ating Montero GLX. LCD touchscreen, aircon, transmission niya. Ayan, naka 6-speed ang ating manual transmission. Yes, second row. Guys, pag nag-build ka sa akin, pwede nating i-Black Series looks to. Itong ating GLX manual transmission. So, message mo na ako guys.